So it's time to roll out that recipe. As you know, we have the man they call the Guitarman. He has been holding a guitar in his hand since he was 14 years old. He turned a proud 41 a few weeks ago.
Yes, man.
And Enrico Camejo is now the producer of 4 wonderful children, 3 of which so far are showing serious inclination in terms of their music. We've showcased them on the show. This season we saw the 2 boys,
so
Sergio and Stefan.
And Stefan Camejo, yes.
That must be extremely pleasing to you.
And don't forget last year's.
We had Charissa.
When she won the Junior Calypso Mona.
Extremely pleasing to you.
It was, I don't even know how everything just happened because, as they said, I did not push them into this. I did not. It was just that Sergio, I guess, all the years growing up in the band room, whether it be with Atlantic or Traffic or even E Major with Raymond and Elliot and so on, he just decided that one day he wanted to perform in school. He had a competition. I wrote a little ditty for him or something. He went, he performed, people called me, teachers called me, they say he was amazing, he won. So we said, let's take this
a little more serious.
CPF, National School Soca Monarch, 2011. That was the year. And a very good competition.
It's in their blood. It's in their blood. It's in their blood. It's in their blood. So Enrico says he knows his way around the kitchen. So we're going to roll out a recipe. We're doing Enrico. Now, I just want to say it, right? Normally after Lent, I go straight into meat.
Beautiful.
I go into meat hard. I decided this year that I'm not going to rush back into meat.
Okay. All right.
Because when I do meat, sometimes I overdo.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm not rushing back into meat.
I totally understand.
I'm pushing the envelope. I'm trying to go as much as I can where seafood is concerned. We've been pushing that seafood differently on the show. So this morning, we are going to do what I like to call an exotic seafood salad.
Oh, really beautiful.
You know pasta salads?
Yes.
Nice creamy pasta salads. You throw some mayonnaise. And since I tasted that first time I tasted a pasta salad when I learned to cook, I wanted to say, but wait, now I could do this Italian style, Mexican style. I could add chicken to this. I could add, So that's really what got me excited. So normally this pasta salad is a side dish, right?
Right.
We're going to make it one dish by adding wonderful seafood. So let's just check out what we're doing today. We have shrimp. We have some marlin that we sauteed nicely up here. We have crab meat, and we have some scallops. So this is serious stuff. So while I'm going to make the dressing, while I'm making the dressing, Enrico, what I want you to do is to get the shrimp cut into half. What I want is the shrimp cut like this.
Good, right.
Right? Sort of across the bias, because I want to still see the shrimp. So get that shrimp cut up for me, Enrico, while I get the salad ready. So getting the salad ready, I have here with me some wonderful grated onion. That's going to form the base of the salad. Onions, I think I put in almost everything. While Enrico is working on that, I'm going to get the mayonnaise in here. So I'm making the dressing. This is the base of the salad. Nice, simple mayonnaise dressing.
Nice.
The mustard will go in here. You could use any type of mustard you want. I mean, you could use yellow mustard. You could use Dijon mustard. This is something that I use all the time. Fresh green, Trini green seasoning. Just about a tablespoon.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah. From here now, a dash of Worcestershire sauce.
I had trouble pronouncing that when I was...
Worcestershire. Right? Get some salt in there. Season it up. I don't want too much salt and pepper. I have some fresh ground pepper here. I don't want too much salt and pepper because the seafood, all of them has its own seasonings and its own salt content. I don't want to over-season. But I want some kick. This has become one of my favorite pepper sauce, Bertie pepper sauce.
You know, I hardly eat pepper sauce, but that is...
I'm not a big pepper man either, but this is very flavorful, very tasty. So this is the hot pepper sauce. I just add a little thing of that, and this is the pimento pepper sauce. I'm going to go liberal because this is very flavorful. Right, now I'm going to add my veggies. Sweet peppers. So some green sweet peppers.
Right, beautiful inside there.
This here is radishes. I really just want some color, some radishes. It's like it's an exotic seafood salad, you know.
Yes,
So
yes.
went out on a limb. Some radishes. This here is
Of course.
booty.
Yes.
Booty.
Love it.
Right?
What did you call it outside? You call it what? String beans?
String beans, yeah, what kind of fancy thing?
Yes.
Booty grain wild all over the place. I'm gonna just start a little premix here, just to get the vegetables incorporated.
Yes.
I have corn, Enrico, but I'm leaving the corn for last.
For last,
I'm
okay.
leaving the corn for last. So I'm just getting the vegetables incorporated.
Right. Almost finished with the shrimp.
You're almost finished. Come in for that shrimp, Enrico.
Yes.
Right. So while Enrico is working on the shrimp, I'm going to get my scallops in. So what these scallops are basically simple seasoning, salt, pepper, nothing too fancy. And you're really just searing it on both sides. Scallop does not take too long to cook, so you really don't want to do too much. Scallops in there.
Right.
I'm leaving the shrimp for last because Enrico is working on the shrimp.
Yes.
This is, as I said, marlin. You want to use a tough fish, or not a tough fish, but a fish that is sturdy and that will stand up to the mix of the salad. And you want to taste the fish in it as well. So I'm adding, so it's marlin we chose to
The
use.
shrimp is ready.
I'll give you the pleasure.
Yes,
I'll give you the pleasure.
ultimate hardest part to do. Right.
So what you can do is add the crab salad in there one time.
How much?
So
You
it's
wanna get the whole?
crab meat. Add half. Yeah, we add half and then we'll add the other half later if we feel that we need to add a little more.
Okay.
Yeah.
That should be fine.
That should be fine. Give me a mix. Give me a mix, Enrico.
Yes. Just as we do it at
Yeah.
home. Sometimes my
Yeah.
daughter Sharissa, she bakes.
She cooks.
She cooks
Yeah.
really, really good. Made a good shepherd pie the other day for us.
Nice,
Wow.
nice. Good when the kids can cook, I mean, and get them in the kitchen very early. That wasn't my experience. My mother spoiled us. She had 3 boys and she cooked everything for us. So I only started cooking late in my life.
Yes,
You know?
I cook because my wife does so much more.
Right.
I have to.
Let's get the pasta in there.
Yes, let's go.
So we're adding just about half the pasta. I just want to see if the dressing is going to take care of all of it. So we could always add more. I always say I learned something very early. You can take out. You can add, but you can't take out. That's right. That's right. So you get it all mixed in there. So this is one dish. Normally you have a pasta salad, but it's just a pasta salad that you're probably serving at the side of whether it's rice, that kind of thing. You have a pilau, you serve up. This here now is very hearty. I like one dish, one pot kind
Everybody
of thing.
who's tuning in right now, they must be watching this thing and saying, hey.
fellas. Yeah. They can't wait till we finish eating everything. So you get it here. You think we could get a little more pasta in here?
A little more pasta, yes.
A little more
bit
pasta.
more and
Just a little more.
yes.
And just for good measure,
Well,
I just think we should just, yeah. It's good stuff. Nice lump meat,
Yes.
lump crab meat.
Crab meat. One person in my family that can't eat this is Sergio.
You serious? He doesn't do shellfish.
He doesn't do something.
Yeah, he doesn't do shellfish. I know people that like that
6 or 7 years old.
and can't do
ate and his
shellfish.
face
Yeah,
swelled up and
I feel so sorry for them.
Me too. Me too.
It just gives me more shellfish. No, but I mean, it's a serious thing. People that are allergic to it is a real serious thing.
Yeah.
But I really feel for them.
No, I really did.
Shrimp is...
I went to Italy last year.
Yeah.
And we had all the different. We had mollusks and octopus.
Right.
calamari
Oh
and-
my goodness.
Oh my goodness! If you taste that, it cost me something like I think about 50-something euros.
Euros, yeah.
Right, and it was just
Amazing.
delicious,
And we go look at that.
That's awesome.
This final thing is the corn. The corn we leave for last. Corn has a lot of water in it, so I think
Yes.
you leave the corn for last, and you just add in some corn. I'll give you the final toss.
I find it looking good. So as a topping, as a
No. Yeah, mix them up in there. Mix them up in there. Yeah, mix them up in there. Mix them up in there. Guys, this recipe is available on trinicooks.com. Very simple. You can make your dressing and tweak your dressing however you so wish. and use whatever seafood that you have. I mean, we had shrimp, we had crab meat in there today.
Yeah, scallops.
We had the scallops, and I'm missing something. Shrimp, crab meat, shrimp, crab meat, scallops, and fish. And the marlin, and the marlin.
We had a lot of different
exotic
things
seafood
we had the radishes.
salad.
You put in radishes in there. Wow.
So while we're speaking about it, my mouth is watering. So we're taking a short break.
Yes.
Enrico and I will come back and plate this up and taste. Thank you very much for dropping by inside the kitchen this morning, my brother. Good. So good to have you. Enrico, the leader of the Camejo clan. He has a little surprise to drop on you. The Camejo clan is producing a little special something coming up a little later in the year.
Yes.
He's going to tell you about it when we come back. Don't move. We roll out a recipe, exotic seafood salad. Get the recipe on TriniCooks.com. Try it yourself. We'll be right back.